So I was building some CG environment in Blender, and later when I need to replace the sky, thought of exporting the camera from Blender to Nuke. I couldn't find any tutorial for that. So here we are going to see a quick tip to export camera and mesh to Nuke. This is the environment I built it, and you can see the camera here. So press 0 in keyboard and you can view through that camera here. So let's do a playback and see, and we have 40 frames of animated camera here. So now I'm gonna show you how the render result looks like. We have some options here. Click on this icon right here. It's taking a bit time as we are using cycles as the render engine. So here it is. I'm linking the tutorial I got inspired for this below in the description. You can see the background is none, and this is where I need to replace the sky in Nuke. So basically do compositing in Nuke. Let's export. Here we have the whole scene. I'm not selecting anything here. Go to File, Export, Alembic. So here we have the settings for the saving that. You can see the path where I'm gonna save this file. First we can see there are lots of options which I'm basically unaware of currently. To be precise, I'm new to Blender. Here we have the scene settings which helps us to determine the basics, frame range to export, object exporting options and some other stuff here. I'm gonna keep everything as default and click on Export Alembic. You can see the data is getting exported here, and depending upon the mesh, it can take some time. Yeah, it's done. Let's jump into Nuke. Here we are inside Nuke. So I'm just showing you the basics of importing that Alembic data into Nuke. I'm gonna skip the compositing part as there are many tutorials for that. Let's read the data. Press R and select the file from the path where we saved. Here we have sunrise.abz. This is my file. Click on open. Here we have a pop-up asking how to import that, and we have all that objects inside here, so can choose what to import. So I'm gonna select all the objects and click on create it all in one node. Let's wait for some moment, like until Nuke loads the Alembic data. Yeah, here we have a camera and a read geo node. So now let's check in the 3D workspace. Yep, here is a mesh. You can see the same mesh here so that you can do some projection or anything. It's hard to see. So let's take a checkerboard and connect into the image pipe of the read geo node. Nice, we can see the mesh nicely now. Let's come into the main part now. We are gonna see our camera is right or what. Select this camera and right here, choose camera 1. Okay, let's play and check. Yeah, this looks same as our camera movement, right? Yes, this camera movement works and we can do comp or projection using this camera. So I'm gonna skip the projection side here, but gonna show you the final composited result now. Here it is. Awesome. You can see the parallax of sky as exactly as it should be. In comp we can fine tune a bit more, but I was learning stuff so I stopped here. I hope this tip will help you one day. So until next tutorial, be safe, take care guys.